Good morning, Transcending Beliefs. Wish you all a very happy 2024. इस नए साल में बहुत कुछ नया, mind blowing होने वाला है, and we all have to be prepared for it. Be it financially, emotionally, mentally, physically, or spiritually, this year will be a year of growth for all of us here. So, I would like to invite all of you to unleashing your own abundance. A European master, Geom, has created 64 unlimited abundance symbols. और कहा जाता है ये symbols जब हमारे चक्रास में, हमारी energies में attune होते हैं, they start removing one block of abundance at a time. So join me for this two-fold program. एक part जिसमें 64 days आपको हर एक symbol की attunement दी जाएगी, so that you clear and move beyond your abundance blocks to create money, finance, wealth, growth, whatever you want. And the other where you can learn these 64 symbols to teach further. आप चाहें तो इन दोनों को एक साथ learn कर सकते हैं, or you can pick any one of them. So join me in making the year 2024 a year of hard work, rewards, success, and abundance. Send a message to know more.